Hey guys, it's Adrian. For this video, I'll show you how I do my brows. This will be quick and simple, so keep on watching. I already groomed my brows, and this will serve as our canvas for today. We will need a flat angled brush, a spoolie, and a brow pencil. I'm starting off by outlining the outer half area of my brow. This will be from the center, working towards the end of the tail. Use light and feathery strokes to create shadows on your brow. For a natural finish, use a spoolie to diffuse the product. Define the outline of your brow using the flat angled brush. Blend the product outwards following the natural hair strokes of your brow. Define the brow tail and concentrate the product on that area. And now we blend, and blend. I didn't put any product on the inner half area of my brow. We're going to use the excess product left on the spoolie to create a lighter shadow on that area. And that's it. That's how I do my brows. If you feel a little extra and want a more defined brow, you can use a concealer to do that trick. Just make sure that you perfectly blend out the concealer. And now you're ready to slay the day. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video.